Hello, and thank you for visiting my channel, 70s Original Creations. Today, I'll show you how simple it is to install a wall mural. These wall murals are easy to apply and easy to remove, so if you're renting, or if you just get bored with the mural, you can easily tear it off the wall with no damage to the wall itself. Let's start with the fun part, selecting your mural. House Beautiful's website has some fun ideas for using these large wall murals. No matter what your style, classic, whimsical, bold, bright, fun, or romantic, you can find a mural that you'll like. These murals are sold at many online sites. You can buy them on Amazon, Wayfair, Etsy, Limitless Walls, Urban Walls. Just Google for large wall murals and you'll have multiple options to look through. When selecting a wall mural, make sure that you select one that is self-adhesive. As I mentioned before, this will allow you to easily apply and remove the mural. Also, measure the wall you plan to apply the mural to, just to ensure that you're ordering the largest mural that you can fit onto that wall.
Today I'm going to start the installation of a mural along this wall. This is our bedroom wall. Step one is to get it cleaned off, and then I'll start some measurements and go from there.
When you receive your self-adhesive wall mural, it'll be cut into multiple pieces. This makes it easy to apply to a wall. The mural that I'm applying today is cut into 4 pieces. To determine where to start applying the mural to the wall, I began by measuring the length and the height of the wall. This allowed me to determine the center of the wall. Then I used a very large level to evenly mark the center of the wall. This line will be the start of the second and the third pieces of the mural. After determining the center of the wall, I needed to mark where I wanted the top of the mural to start. I chose 6 inches from the ceiling. Again, I used the large level to evenly mark that line 6 inches from the ceiling. Next step is to apply the second piece of the mural to the wall. To do this, I peeled the top 12 inches off the top of piece number 2 to expose the adhesive side. Then I made sure I had it level with the horizontal line near the ceiling and the vertical line marking the middle of the wall. Once it's aligned, I began to slowly peel off the backing, and while peeling off the backing, I'm pushing down to eliminate any air bubbles. Well, now that you see what I'm doing, I'll speed this up. After I got piece number 2 on the wall, I moved to piece number 3. I followed the same steps as before, but I overlapped piece number 3 about half an inch over piece number 2. The picture on the mural is printed to allow this overlap. You'll just want to read the instructions for the mural you purchased to see how large this overlap should be. Now, at this point in the video, I have piece number 2 and piece number 3 applied to the wall, and I'm starting piece number 4. However, I finally got smart about it, and instead of using my hand to push the air bubbles out of the paper, I've grabbed a large putty knife. The mural paper itself was thick enough to allow me to use the putty knife without damaging the image on the paper. This sped up the process quite a bit. And there's the finished project. You would not believe how beautiful this is in person. Now I need to add a frame around it, but later on we plan on putting new baseboard and trim around our doors in the bedroom. So I'll wait for that to finish this off. Just so that you know, you can have these custom made. So if you'd like a picture of your face or your pet blown up to this proportion, you can do that. This entire project took me only 2 hours to complete, and as you saw, I did it by myself. And I just love it. It added a whole new aesthetic to our room, which is a bit whimsical, a bit relaxing, and a whole bunch of beautiful. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this episode. I hope that you will like and subscribe and come back to join me again soon. Have a great week.